All right, now. These are the ones I made. But I gonna put the. These ones I already made these, so I'm letting her. We're gonna use these for the kids and us, cause we had extra. So we already made ours. She's doing the kids now, the older kids. But this is how they look, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all. But she's gonna show y'all the toppings. Y'all can see, but I'm not gonna open these. You gonna see when she put them up there. I might. Or you gonna put Starburst and stuff on theirs?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, y'all gonna see how the toppings look when she do that one. But this is how it look. Got the little label on there. The Starburst. That's the pink Starburst. And you see the candy on it. And you see the logo. Revive Sweet Treats. That's our dessert name. Dessert things for like treats and stuff. We make for parties and stuff. Or whatever we do, desserts, we know. This is what it's under, Revive. Since our business name Revive and Design Studio, of course we gotta have Revive on everything. So yeah, I'm big with advertising our business. So I make labels for everything. Okay. I'm not crazy, but yeah. So we got little stickers right here. It's a hole in the cups. So you can put a straw in there or whatever like that. But I didn't want to leak out or nothing like this. So I put a label right there. And then, and this is the blue raspberry. They've been out for a minute, so that's why they look like they thawing out because they've been out of the freezer. So yeah, this is the blue raspberry, and you can see the toppings. But you can see it without the lid on it in a minute when she finish those. So yeah.
Okay, now get off me.
We made ours a little different than what we making the kids. Because see on mine, I just put the Starburst, the Nerds, what they call it? The sour, what they call it? Soda in the bag.
Sour Punch Bites.
Yeah, that's what I got on mine. I got these the red ones on mine with the Starburst and the Nerds. I use the pink Starburst. Let me show y'all the pink Starburst, all pink. And then we use the Nerds. We didn't use it. We didn't use Jolly Ranchers? We didn't use Jolly Ranchers this time, but we got Jolly Ranchers. And then we got the string Airheads thingies. So this will be using. So yeah. Oh yeah, and we got the gummy worms. But the trolleys. You already got those out?
Yep, I already got it.
Oh, she using it, but I don't lock the box. I think I threw the box away. How I open it. But the box is still away. So yeah. Show it to them to the camera.
They don't need a lot of candy anyway, you know. You know how kids get. Oh my damn. Don't mind me. I'm clumsy. I'm clumsy.
All the time.
She should have did it. I'm clumsy. I'm so.
I got no gloves on. You do. Let me put gloves on.
Yeah.
You gotta make it.
Okay, let me just redo this one real quick. Nothing to it. Put some more Nerds. What else I have? Some more sour bites. Some more beef. What is he fussing about?
He told her to stop crying.
Oh.
He said, stop crying.
Oh my God, listen to him. All right. So this time, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just do like this. Okay? See?
Right.
See? Look good, yeah. Do I need to bring y'all close? Need a closer view.
You want some? Y'all want some?
Want some?
If you're in the North Carolina area, Goldsboro, Greenville, Kempson, Snow Hill areas, order y'all free cooks. Even if you want to drive to us, make your order, and we'll have it ready for you. Okay. We'll be having more toppings that go on there, but this time we just got like certain ones, but we'll be adding more toppings to go on them and more different things. So, yeah. Like I said, we had more left over from our sale from last week, so we just decided since it's a hot day, it's like 82 degrees out here in North Carolina. So we said we were just going to bring out the freeze cook today since we had some left. So yeah, y'all order some from us. Go on follow our Facebook page, Revive and Design Studio. And that's why you will see everything that we do, even parties or anything designing we do or anything that we do is gonna be on the Revive and Design Studio page. So we ain't put another bag in there. Just put in a glove. Just put anyone in the glove, and we'll put another bag in there. But yeah, if y'all want to order some, these are 2 flavors that we did. This like last week I was saying we did the blue raspberry and the pink strawberries. I don't know what other flavors we're gonna do next, but these are the first 2 flavors that we did for our first sale. And y'all, they are good. Okay, we can't wait to eat them. Okay, can't wait. Okay, but yeah, it smells so good. Everything. Okay, but yeah, like I said, y'all, I'm gonna take y'all off the tripod. Order y'all's